Welcome back to our channel. Today our vlog is about beach on Christmas Day. Hello beautiful friends. Ari kami subong sa car and we're on our way. So you better watch out, you better not cry because we will be on the beach in the next maybe 45 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So we will see you there. Hi, Anay, Tita Rem. Hi. And hello, Tita Pan. We're now here at the beach and oh my goodness, look at that. So nice, diba? Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Hi grade. Here comes my boyfriend trying to get his way to the beautiful ocean. Baby! Come over here! That is my baby right there. He's finally here. Do you like the beach?
Oh yeah, right there. You know what? husband because I lack talent.
That's the Instagram boyfriend right there.
If I had talent, I'd be a great Instagram husband.
This is a Victoria's Secret model. This is the photographer.
Your name appears.
Like a TV commercial.
Baby, don't push it down. Baby, don't push it down. Everything you tell me.
Hey, it is Christmas, and yes, we are at a rocky beach. It's kind of secluded, but we drove about an hour, 2 hours. We had a new driver, and you know, of course, there's our safety precautions. We hope everybody having a wonderful day, and stay tuned. More to come.
Speechless. Oh my gosh, I'm so speechless. But this is on our beach day today, and this is my beautiful sister, Panji, and my sister-in-law, Tita Ramya. Mga beautiful girls. And that's my honey right there, and my brother. Diba? Literally, we own the beach right now, so we want to stay long, but we have to go home because this place is a 1.5 hour drive from where we live. So we have to go back home before like 3 p.m. today. So that's it for our beach trip today.
Rodney Navo.
Hello, baby. Okay, so this is the behind the scenes of beautiful pictures posted on Instagram and Facebook. This is the behind the scenes.
Follow me on Instagram.
Follow my sister on Instagram. Follow my sister-in-law on Instagram. The struggle is real.
when you tell me.
Hindi ka mga balar, mahapit mo